Hello everyone, this is me Ali Raza and I'm an owner of a Google partner company and we have been based in UAE and I've been working in this Google Ads field from the last 18 years. At the time of creating this video, I also have a dedicated team with me who help clients. Just to let you know that we are a Google partner company and if you need Google Ads campaigns management services, you're more than welcome to hire us. There are a few other reasons why you need to work with us. Let's start with a few things, which I want to tell you why our Google Ads campaign management services are just awesome. If I scroll below, you may see with the Google Ads, we have a Google Partner link as well, through which you can actually verify. And we are being known as Google Ads Partner over here. You can see my name over here. You can verify this anytime. You can also check Trustpilot. We have two offices in Dubai. One of the offices is mentioned over here right now. Plus another office is being mentioned over here as well for our Google Ads partner company. And if you look around in the reviews, you may see that we help clients with Google Ads, audit, setup, management, a lot of stuff as well. And we help clients with web development as well. We're a full-fledged marketing agency, and look around over here. Maybe the best company I've worked with in recent years. The level of communication is unmatched to what you usually get in 2025 when nobody acts like they want to help you. Not only they do care, but they're good at what they do. The level of conversions I'm getting from my ads is just amazing. I appreciate them more than I can express. So isn't it amazing running it from around 18 years and getting very good results? You can also check our YouTube channel as well for our reviews and our services. Okay, there. So what happens is if you offer a Google Ads campaign management service, what we do is usually we create clients group where the communication is done. There are multiple team members who worked along on your project. We have project manager, deputy project managers, team coordinators, team lead to help you around with all of the questions, concerns while we work on your campaign. So we have a few things, which is why we offer you a lot of management services. Is that because working in this field for around 18 years, we got so many experiences being professional with Google shopping campaigns, Google search campaigns, Google display campaigns, YouTube ads campaign, retargeting campaign, local store visits campaign. And the best thing is we also cover anti-fraud click as well. And with anti-fraud click, what happens with anti-fraud click is once you opt for the anti-fraud click, you may see around over here we have a dedicated anti-fraud click service. Is that when there is a trend or a behavior for someone clicking on your ads, we basically block that ID. We monitor trend based on IP to IP. We also do comparator analysis. We use SEMrush and SpyFu for the comparator analysis. We also set up clients with the conversion tracking. We also create campaigns. We also help clients with keyword research, ad copies, and with the comparator analysis, we figure out their campaign, their offer, their USP, why you, what is why them, plus their ad copies, their landing page, their keywords, their bidding strategy, which even we use evaluate on day-to-day basis on how their bidding fluctuates. We also help clients with optimizing their quality scores. Uh, we help with retargeting setup, and as I told you, WhatsApp group for staff communication and team communication, regular day-to-day management and monitoring, CPC optimization, and quality score improvement. We also have over here the campaigns for management, where we provide you with 3 dedicated managers, help your campaigns with the further optimizations and further improvements. So yeah, we are a full-fledged marketing agency looking forward in working with you. So in case if you want to work with me and my team, we will love to help you as a Google Ads partner for your Google Ads campaign management service. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description of the first comment of this video as a pinned comment. So good luck.